Ew! Guys, ano ba yun? Pagkain ba yan na nabutas? Mukhang may hinawakan siya eh. Ano ba? Nagpigil ba? Or may plastic doon na butas? Or talagang... Ang lala, yan. Bahala na lang po kayong musga, guys, yan. Ang insan natin, nagmekos-mekos. Yak!
Aray mo, tukap.
Natuluyan na. Pag ikaw nahipa ng masamang hangin, ewan ko na lang. Lala!
Aray mo, tukap.
Okay, push by competition. All girls, oh. All girls, all girls. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh! Oh, banking, banking. Nice! Ang bilis! Oh! Oh! Oh, manang-mana ata sa tatay ko. Kung sino tatay niyan, shoutout sa inyo, sir. Ang lupit. Woo! Nice. Wala na, iwan. Lupit. Okay guys, that is Stacy po. Yan, kung gusto nyo siya i-follow, yan, check nyo yung FB page niya, Stacy. Okay? That's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. Nice one, girl. Keep it up. So what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. Yan, shoutout time po tayo. First shoutout po kay Saidin G Moves from Carmen. Yan, what's up? Next naman po kay Choi Mascolados Deluvio. Hey, what's up brother? Next shoutout po kay It's Me, Ivy from Davao de Oro. Hey, hello. And next po kay Eljun Sebial. Hey, what's up? Next naman po kay Kylie Yaser. Yan, what's up? Yan, na-shoutout na kita at last. Yan, salamat sa paghihintay. And next po, na-shoutout natin kay JR Tagalog from Bayugan City. Hey, what's up? And that's it guys, yun na po ang last shoutout natin for today. Until to the next shoutout po natin, abang-abang lang po tayo. Yan, nagtatry pa rin tayo ng gumawa ng bat shoutout po, yung maramihan. Pero anyways guys, I hope nag-enjoy po tayo dun sa mga kakaibang video na nakita natin. So until to the next time guys, okay, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Peace and one love. Have a good night.